Okay, this is my Webex training session. I've got 2 participants down here who I want to allocate to breakout rooms. So I go up to the top of the screen and choose breakout session assignment. There are no rooms yet, and therefore I'm going to create them by clicking on the plus. Breakout session, I'm going to change to room 1, and I'm going to allocate people into those rooms by clicking on their name. You can obviously choose more than one person if you have a long list of people. I'm going to create a second room, and I'm going to choose the other attendee to be in the second room. I click on OK, go back to breakout and start the breakout sessions, at which point the people attending the meetings will receive an invitation and can click to enter those rooms. So if they've clicked to enter the room and one person has clicked to enter the room, the other person we're still waiting for, I will just, they've joined that meeting as well. Now, if you had groups of people, if you were working with 2 or more people in each room, they can be doing some kind of group work, some kind of speaking exercise or project work, and you as the teacher can go in and join them. This will come up here with your breakout room, so you will see this. You click on join, and then you're prompted to choose the audio to be used in your breakout room rather than in the main room, so you click on yes. Okay, can you hear me?
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, you can have a conversation with the person. If there are lots of people in the room, because I believe you can use up to 20 in the same room, you can raise your hand if you have a question by clicking here. You can agree with an opinion, you can disagree with an opinion, and there's also a chat function down here so that you can send messages. When you're finished, you can leave the breakout session. You'll be taken back to the main page. The other person here has seemed to leave, they have left their breakout session. Otherwise we could have tested this as well, but you've seen how it works in one session. Then we go to breakout at the top in order to either ask all the people to return and to keep the breakout sessions open, in which case you can use the breakout sessions again, or you can end the breakout sessions. That will bring everything to an end. I'm being asked to do that manually. Okay, but the participants are back. One person is still sitting in their room, but when they realize they should end their session, they'll come back, and it's as easy as that. So breakout, we then close the breakout session panel so that everybody should appear back again. And to start something new, you go back into breakout session assignment, and you either have your one room here from before, or you can delete it all and start again with a new series of rooms, etc. Okay, and that is how breakout sessions work.